Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make these 3 easy low-carb lunch ideas, and I've also written a blog post which I'll leave down below which has a total of 10 easy low-carb lunch ideas, so there's loads of inspiration there for you to mix and match and make lunches for through the week. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know your go-to low-carb lunch idea and what you enjoy. And yeah, let's get straight into it with lunch number 1, which is this lovely broccoli salad over here. And for my first lunch idea, I'm making my 4-ingredient broccoli salad. I just love this. I make this regularly through the year, especially during summertime. I will make this in the morning. We may go out and about if we're allowed to, otherwise just go for a walk or get on with our homeschooling and bits through the morning. And then at lunch, the salad is ready. I kind of make it first thing in the morning so it's got the day to kind of marinate and get all the flavors working. So I've got a whole head of broccoli over here. I'm using sour cream for a nice creamy dressing. Lemon, we're going to use the zest and juice for lovely flavor and zestiness, and cheese is a grated cheese, so we've got a bit extra protein and nice cheesy goodness in the salad. So let's put it all together. I'm going to start by chopping a whole head of broccoli into bite-sized pieces, and we're going to pop it into a bowl. Started with that, and I'm just going to keep working through the whole head of broccoli. Depends how many servings you want to make from your salad. You can use the whole head, half a head. I'm just going to do the whole head, and then it'll last for today and through the week too. Okay, my bowl is now full of my chopped broccoli. I'm now going to add the zest of lemon. There we go, we've got all that lovely zest in there, and it's up to you if you want to do half or the whole lemon juice over. I'm going to go the whole lemon. I like to squeeze it over a sieve to catch any pips, just like that one. And we'll just give that a toss through to get it all distributed amongst the broccoli. Okay, and then we'll add in sour cream and cheese. I'm going to go for about half a cup of sour cream. Mix it through and see if I'm happy, if I want more. Always just start with less, give it a toss through, and if you want to add more you certainly can. Depends on how creamy you want it to be. I'm quite happy with that amount of creaminess in my salad. Okay, so I had half a cup of sour cream mixed through, got a lovely creamy salad. And now I'll add in about half a cup of grated cheese. And we'll just toss that through to get the cheese distributed amongst the salad. Oh, that's perfect. Now why I like to make this ahead of time is that the sour cream and the lemon gets to work on softening that broccoli, so it's not quite so hard. It just softens it a bit and almost cooks it, so it just makes a beautiful salad. So this will go into the fridge for a few hours, and then we'll have a lovely lunch. And for my next low-carb lunch idea, I'm going to make a tuna salad with these ingredients, but you can mix and match really whatever you like. We've got spinach over here. I've got an avocado. I managed to find an avocado. It's from South Africa, and I'm originally from South Africa, so I couldn't resist getting it. We hope it's going to be a good one. You never know till you open it up. I've got a tin of tuna here. I'm using sour cream again as my sauce to get it nice and creamy. I'm going to use a bit of goat's cheese. I've got olive oil, extra virgin olive oil here, and salt as well, just for flavor and to bring everything together. So let me show you how to make it. I'm going to start with a bed of spinach leaves. I popped this into a little container, so you could just make it up and take it out for lunch, or make it ahead of time and just keep it in the fridge, and when you're ready for lunch it's ready and waiting for you. And I've opened up the tin of tuna, and we'll just top it with tuna. Whatever size tuna tin you have, just add as much or as little as you like. Just like that. And next, avocado. I've opened mine up. It actually looks pretty good, so I'm just going to slice some up and pop it on top. There we go. And we'll just dot a bit of goat's cheese around, just like that. Add on a few shakes of salt. Now you could of course enjoy this salad just like this, but I do like adding a bit of dressing to it by way of a bit of olive oil. So I'm just going to measure out, not even a tablespoon, just add that, and then kind of add in a bit of the sour cream, just dotted around the place. I've only got a teaspoon or so here. You can add a tablespoon, you can add as much as you want. I just like a little bit for some creaminess. And there you go, my big beautiful tuna salad, full of flavor, makes such a lovely meal. And since it's in the container, you can just pop a lid on, take it out for lunch if you can go out and about. As I said, I like to make my lunches just after breakfast. That way, by the time I get hungry, lunch is ready and I just pull out my container and I'm good to go. So that is this easy low carb lunch idea. Keep watching for one more. And for my final low-carb lunch idea, I'm going to make some lettuce cups, which I'm filled with leftover roast chicken. So I've got roast chicken in the fridge that's left over. I've washed a couple of lettuce leaves to make some lettuce cups. You can make lettuce cups, wraps, whatever you like. And I'm just going to spread over a bit of sour cream. As you can tell from this video, I love my sour cream. It's just such an easy way of making a sauce without really going to much effort. And I'm just going to pop some of the chicken in. This leftover chicken. You can use any meat. You could even fill it with tuna if you want to instead. So I've got my 2 lettuce cups with sour cream and chicken. You could have them just like that. You could either wrap it up. You can make kind of a wrap by wrapping it along. You could just have it as a cup. Now you can top it with avocado, with some goat's cheese, as I did with the tuna salad. It is up to you, but I'm just going to keep them plain and simple like that. Look, we'll wrap one up and we've got a nice chicken wrap with one, and we'll keep it open with the other one. So that is this lovely low carb lunch idea. So there you go, those are my 3 easy low carb lunch ideas. We've got that lovely broccoli salad I made earlier, my big tuna salad, and the chicken wraps that I use the lettuce leaf for. But as I said, you can mix and match them. I've made all 3 to kind of share between my family today. It'll be a bit of a buffet. We can just all have a little bit of everything, but you could just pick one. Just go by what you've got in your kitchen, what's available near you, what you feel like. It started getting warmer here in Ireland, so we've been having loads more lunches just like this. But that is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know your go-to low carb lunch idea, and remember to check down below for the link to the blog post, which has 10 easy low carb lunch ideas just for you. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.